What's up, guys? It's Dante down here at Raceway Kia, your Kia guy for life, guys. You can always text me at 610-931-6939, guys. It is a cold, blistery day. There's snow on the ground, but I want to take this quick moment to show you a quick video with a useful tip on how to use your Smart Park Assist feature on your 2025 Kia Sportage plug-in hybrid SX Prestige. Behind me right here. Beautiful car, Vesta blue. Let me show you how to work that, guys. Welcome inside your beautiful 2025 Sportage plug-in hybrid Prestige. I'm going to show you now what button to hit in order to go into Smart Park mode. So you're going to actually go to your center console here. You're going to hit the button that has a P on it, like a camera for parking. And as I hold this button, watch what happens on the screen. So we're going to hold it, and it's going to give you a prompt with remote parking instructions. We're going to leave the vehicle. I'm going to keep the key fob on my person. We're going to close the doors, and then simply we're going to just move the car forward and back. Here we go. So I'm going to get out of the car. We're exiting the car right now. For this demonstration, I'm going to step back. Car is beeping at us to acknowledge that we're outside the car. So we're going to move the car forward. So I'm going to zoom in real quick. I'm going to hold this top button here. We're going to hold the car. I should say hold the button. And here we go. So now watch. I'm holding the button. The car's moving forward. I'm going to demonstrate this. I'm still holding the button. Now watch as it senses me in front of the car. It's going to stop. Just like that. I let go of the button. Now we're going to actually move the car backwards. So I'm going to hit the bottom button. We're going to hold it in. It's going to straighten out the wheel. Beeps. Acknowledges. And here we go. I'm holding the button the whole time. And it's going to actually reverse the vehicle as I aim at the car. It's a pretty simple stuff. Can get you out of a tight parking spot. If you have a pizza in your hands, someone parked up on your doors, someone pulled a prank on you, it's super awesome. Again, if someone comes by, it's going to abruptly stop the car to keep everyone safe. Let go, car stops. Simple. All right, guys, as always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If this vehicle helps you out, please share it with a friend, a neighbor, you name it. We need to get this video out there because I get a lot of calls about how do I smart park my brand new car. Hopefully this video is super easy to follow without a lot of the glitz and the glamour. It never has glitz and glamour with me. So hope you guys are well. I'm your Kia guy for life, 610-931-6939. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.